Meanwhile, the monsoon session has witnessed another stormy day as political confrontations over the NEET paper leak continue and the recent student protest has intensified. TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee has been suspended from the Lok Sabha for the remainder of the monsoon session over alleged indecent behavior with female MPs. The action added to high voltage atmosphere inside Parliament. Listen in.
धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय। मैं आपकी अनुमति से प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि श्री कल्याण बनर्जी जो इस सभा के सदस्य हैं, जिनका सभापति जी आपने भी नाम लिया है और जिन्होंने महिला सांसदों के साथ अभद्रता के साथ दुर्व्यवहार भी किया है, अतः उन्हें सत्र की शेष अवधि के लिए सभा की सेवा से
Meanwhile, opposition MPs arrived in Parliament wearing black clothes as a mark of protest. Congress leader Pawan Khera said the protest was against the alleged action on students in Delhi, the government's handling of the unrest and the the continuation of Dharmendra Pradhan as education minister. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge strongly condemned the police action against students and opposition leaders. He alleged that students were subjected to lathi charge, pellet guns and shock batons, calling the incidents shameful. Kharge demanded a statement from the Home Minister, an apology from the Prime Minister, full discussion on the education system and the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Listen in.
आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि मैं आपको इसीलिए धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आप अपने स्पीच में स्पष्ट कहा, जैसा शिवा ने यहाँ पर मुद्दा रखा वैसा ही मैं ये चाहता हूँ आप जो अपने स्पीच में कहे हैं कि 267 रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर केस में ये लिया जाता है, तो जब रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर केस, इससे रेयरेस्ट क्या हो सकता है? लोग मर रहे हैं, रास्ते पे लोगों को, बच्चों को, महिलाओं को
Meanwhile, responding to the opposition's demands, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju said that the government is fully prepared for a discussion on the NEET paper leak issue. He said that the debate will take place under the House rules after consultation between the Speaker and the floor leaders on the timing, duration and procedure. Another notable moment from the Parliament was when Rajya Sabha Chairman expressed deep condolence over the loss of lives in the under-construction tunnel tragedy in Namchi, Sikkim. He extended sympathies to the bereaved families, prayed for the safe rescue of those still trapped, and wished a speedy recovery to the injured. And in some news coming